Hello, my name is Samia Deluque. What vacation destinations? First destinations, Curaçao. Curaçao is located in the southern Caribbean. Curaçao is located in southern Caribbean off the coast of Venezuela. Curaçao is autonomous country within the Kingdom of the Netherlands. You can visit places around the island such the Shikboka National Park, the Curaçao Liquor Distillery, the Flamingo Sanctuary, and more. If you are visiting places that are not so frequented by people in the rugged countryside, the Curaçao's new national park, the Curaçao Liquor Distillery. Blue Curaçao is distinctive, a colorful liquor that is steeped in the island history, and you can visit the home of the original Blood Dog Curaçao and the Curaçao Liquor Distillery. The Flamingo Sanctuary. This place is one on the way on the Porto Mari beach, where you can see flamingos in their natural environment. Though the flamingos aren't is advisable to read a car signs in Curaçao. Public transportation is limited and cars or vans are very expensive. What could we do in Jamaica? Second destination. Visit the Bob Marley Museum, Bob Marley's final residence in the Kingston and 56 Home Road is Jamaican National Heritage Site. It is relatively a small museum with a limited numbers and artifacts, thus its complement be a mandatory 1 hours and 50-minute guide tour a screening of the movie Rastafari in the Jones Village tour. You could live at the Boy Rastafari in the country where it and began with a visit to the indigenous Rastafari village. Your driver will pick you up your Montego Bay Hotel and cruise port and take you Rastafari in the Jonas village, where you will take a guide tour, listen to drumming and chanting, and have the opportunity and the shop souvenirs before returning to your hotel or ship. Private bamboo rafting tour on the Martha Bray River. Take a trip down the Martha Bray River aboard a bamboo raft with the tour. Your driver will pick you at your Montego Bay Hotel and take you the river where you will be transported 50-foot raft. After you experience, your driver will you take back to your hotel. Destination number 3. And fresh overseas connectivity includes more than islands of the South Pacific and state formal 20 km 20 on Kien, Polynesian French. We can enjoy in French Polynesia. You can explore Muria's beautiful and tranquil seas in traditional style outrigger, canoe on the relaxing day trip, swing and snorkel and lagoon and wish or simply relax on the sun deck. Four vehicles of the Muria including the Belvedere, Pineapple Farm and Magic Mountain. Half a day of marvelous whale watching, potentially promising situation. Mom, Curacao may be the best destination. Is specific. Close and the many activities to do. Grandmother, grandmother, money should not matter. The important thing is now enjoy Jamaica, called the best destination because at the zoo, close and can visiting home a famous person and me. Although speaking French Polynesia can be better is a far away and we will be more contact with nature. Is the money, is the experience of it offers. Money, miscommunication, punishment. How can we solve it? We could sit down and talk and think it about what is most important and necessary the local money and three the rich joy agreement. Thank you very much.